In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. Whether you've entered a payment by mistake or simply need to remove an outdated entry, it's crucial to know how to manage these financial records effectively. Let's dive right into the process, making sure every step is clear and easy to follow. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the left panel in your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, locate and click on the Sales option. This is your gateway to managing the variety of financial transactions and customer information your business handles. As you get used to this interface, you'll find that it's a powerful tool for keeping your books in order. Once you've clicked on Sales, the next step is to select Customers. The Customers section is vital because it allows you to see all the people or companies your business interacts with financially. By selecting this tab, you open a list of all current and former clients. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this list can help ensure you're working with the correct information and decrease the likelihood of errors. After you've opened your customer list, the next thing to do is to select the customer whose payment you need to delete. It's worth taking a moment here to double-check you're choosing the right customer. Accuracy is key when managing financial data, and ensuring you're looking at the correct account can save you from any accounting hiccups down the road. Now that you've selected the appropriate customer, it's time to locate the specific payment that needs deletion. Here, you'll see a caret icon next to each payment listed under the customer's account. This icon is typically positioned to the right of each transaction and is easily recognizable as a small downward-facing arrow. Clicking on this caret icon will reveal a drop-down menu offering various actions you can take with the selected payment. Among these options, you'll find the choice to delete. Once you click Delete, QuickBooks Online may prompt you for confirmation. This step is in place to ensure that you're absolutely certain about removing the payment record, as deleting a payment is permanent and cannot be undone. Think of it as a final checkpoint for maintaining financial accuracy. It's designed to help you avoid accidental deletions, so if you're sure, simply confirm the action. And just like that, you've successfully deleted the payment entry from QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your business transactions, ensuring your financial records remain accurate and up to date. Managing your finances effectively gives you more control and better insight into your business operations, allowing you to make smarter decisions moving forward. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and remember to keep exploring QuickBooks features to get the most out of your accounting software.